Now, how to recover MS Player Private. Here, even if you have hide your video and you have forgotten your password, or you don't know how to enter your password anymore, or you have deleted the video, now here I will show you how to do it. Now here, first here, as you can see the video I hide, and I can't unhide this video because of this MS issue. Now here, what you will do now to recover this movie or this video, here what you will do now is go back here like this. Now here, open your file manager here. Now here, go to your device internal storage. Now here, I'll click on my phone because I'm using Android. You can find your internal storage. Now here, click on internal storage here. Now here, what you do is to set your folder to show hidden files like this. I'll click on this three dot icon and then click on settings. And here you can see show hidden files here. Now I'll click the toggle on. As you can see, now go back here like this. Now here, as you can see, I can now see the hidden files. Now here, slide until you reach MX Player Add here. As you can see, you see it here. Now here, what you do, just click on it like this. Now here, click on this private here. Now here, what you do now is to rename this to MP4 like this. Now here, click on done. And here, click on OK. As you can see, I've recovered the video. Now here, let's know if this works. Just click on it. As you can see, you see it, we have recovered the video. So that's how to do it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now, see you on the next video. Peace.